Let's get back to the user listing page, and now we'll click this 11 number record. You can remember the record displayed here. Just click it and you can see same data is displayed in the concerned fields of the form. We can verify also by going to the users table, and you can see record user ID 11, all the same data here. Only one final step is remaining, that we need to submit this form and update the data submitted through this form. So here in action, let's put a file name update_in_db.php. We want to send data of this form to this file, and on this file we'll process this data and then run an update query that will eventually update the record. So let's create this file now. Let's paste the connection link at the top of this file. So now the data of this form will be sent to our new file. Let's just check whether it's working or not by just echoing update the record finally. Go back to the update form page, just refresh it once and click update button. You can see we are at the update_in_db.php page with a message we echoed out. Here within our form, we need to submit the user ID as well of the record, for which we'll update data. So let's create an input field with the type hidden and name it whatever you want. For now, just keep it user ID and give it the value of the ID we want to work on. So just echo the $ID here, same we get here. Let's go to the update form page and refresh, and now if we look at the source code of this page, you can see we are sending user ID along with this form data. Now we have all set up here. Let's go to the update_in_db.php for final coding. Just comment this echo out. Now we'll proceed only if the form has been submitted. So create a conditional statement here again, as we did many times before. Just put $_post in here. In the execution area, just grab all the values coming from the update form. That's user ID, name, username, and password, and store all of them in variables. Just echo all of these to verify everything is working fine. So we are getting all the values. It's perfectly fine. Remove all the echo from here. Now it's time to bring the update query here. We wrote in the start of update delete through PHP training session. So cut it from here and paste it in here right below this code, but inside if condition. You can see this query is hard-coded. We need to make it dynamic. So let's just replace all the hard-coded values with the variables we are getting from $_post array, that is from our form submission. Change this number with $user ID, name with $name, and keep it within single quotes. Username with $username and password with $password. This is our dynamic query now, and this will work with update functionality. Put this whole query in variable as we did several times before. You might have guessed what we need here. Just create another if statement so that if this query executes successfully, echo user was updated successfully having ID, and concatenate it with $user ID, otherwise echo user was not updated successfully. Append at the end, please try again. So I hope everything is fine and we have created everything we need. Let's run it through the browser. Go to the user listing page, that is update_delete_users.php, and refresh it. Now click update to update any of the fields. Now let's make a little change here by providing password, and let's click the update button. Here we go, the success message. So finally we have updated the data of user having ID, user ID 5. Let's verify it from the users table. Just refresh the table again, and here you can see the data has been updated successfully. Whenever you create any kind of functionality, just keep in mind that you should check each code you write for several times until and unless you are completely satisfied with the functionality. Let's update user ID 8, which has no data in it. Let's put some dummy data here, fill all the fields, click update, and it's updated successfully. Just refresh the user listing page and you can see data is showing against number 8. Let's update user ID 9 too. Put some data and update, and it's been updated successfully too. We can verify through users table as well as from our users listing page. You can update any record. Let's try one last time and let's update this record. Just put some dummy data for this too. Hit update and it's been updated successfully. You should keep in mind that although we have learned many things, but this is just to put you on track. Now the real game has begun. You have to learn lots of things ahead along with your experience. Whenever you'll work on new project, a new door to new learning opportunity opens. This is totally up to you. Do you avail the opportunity or not? Never hesitate to learn new things. This is also the era when you have access to everything online from your computer screen. You can get help from internet anytime. There is solution to every problem you might have. So just get in the mood of learning more things and do everything on your own. This will teach you more and you will never forget it again. This is all for now. From tomorrow we are going to start creating CRUD and admin panel and login system. See you in day 14. Take care.